Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get your webhook secret in Stripe. If you are integrating Stripe with your app or website, this secret key is important for verifying that the requests you're receiving come from Stripe. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, open your browser and go to stripe.com. On the top corner, you have the option to log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, this is the perfect opportunity for you to sign up. It's free and it's very easy to follow. Just click the create an account, and from here, you can choose to use your personal email or you can use your Google account and follow the on-screen instructions. And once you've done that, you will be forwarded to the main homepage of Stripe. On your dashboard in the left side, I want you to hover to the developer section. That's going to be found at the bottom left corner. From here, there is an option that says webhooks, and I want you to click on it. And then click the explore workbench, especially if this is your first time with webhooks. This is where you manage all the webhooks tied to your account. And the secret key is very easy to find. As you may notice that there is like an API key, so you have the publishable key and the secret key right here. Right here. That's going to be the secret key, but I want you to click the work developer again and click the webhooks this time, because this will forward you to add a destination. This will trigger reactions into your integration with Stripe events. Now, just click the add button. From here, you can choose from the API version. You need to select an event and then, of course, select your destination type. From here, if you're not familiar with, it's very easy to follow. Okay? Choose the event, choose the destination type, which is going to be this one right here. Okay? Choose the account section, balance settings, balance, billing portal, checkout, and the credit note. From there, choose the destination, and the last part is going to be configure your destination. Okay, so let's click the continue. So you have the webhook endpoint. You can send webhook events to a hosted endpoint. I want you to click the continue button, and this is going to be the endpoint URL. Okay, now webhooks require a URL to send events to. It's up to you if you wanted to put that. Now put in the description, for example, how to get webhook secret in Stripe. And in the endpoint URL, you can put in a specific website that you wanted. For example, we're going to put this in and click the create a destination. All right. So now we have successfully created our first event, finding our Stripe webhook secret, and are ready to start integrating Stripe events into our application. If you found this helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.